A537 Buxton towards the Cat Fiddle. So as we turn on to the A537, you can see the speed restriction changing from 30 up to 50 miles an hour. Immediately we're warned of potentially cattle or sheep on the road. You straight away see the sheep in the near side field there. Potentially they're going to get out onto the road. Pedestrians offside, vehicles oncoming, warned of a series of bends, towing arrows. A lot of information to take on board. Imagine the what-if scenario. Imagine a large vehicle, big truck coming down towards us. These roads are fairly narrow. Breaking the white line, pedal cyclist near side, all this information we've got to take on board. Double white line in operation. Again, completely closed bend here. There's that large oncoming vehicle I've been talking about. You can see the wheels slightly over that white line, so I've sacrificed my position for safety. And I thought about that all the time before I actually got to the bend. Similarly again here, blind bend, you've no idea what potentially is coming down towards you. Speed's got to be reduced, position's got to be sacrificed for any potential oncoming vehicles. Now the bends are starting to slightly open up. We get reasonably good cross views. We can see any vehicles coming towards us right up there in the distance. A little bit hazy, but you can see vehicles going away from us. Roads going around to the left, nice and tight. So again, the speed's got to be appropriate. Breaking the white line, that's the engineers telling us that the road's starting to open up. But all that information is there for us to take on board. Potentially sheep on the road, tight right-hand bend, road surface issues, hazard warning line. We're warned of bends now, slow on the road. Bends are still opening up here for us, so we get reasonable cross views, which unfortunately the camera can't pick up at the moment. But you'll be looking beyond those bends, see the van coming down towards us. Another closed bend, left-hand bend, out towards the white line, but always be in a position to sacrifice that position for safety, any oncoming vehicles. Breaking the white line, that's the engineers telling us the road's starting to open up. Back to solid white lines because the road or the bends are closed, i.e. you can't see around them. Pedestrians on the offside there, little lay-bys. All this information we've got to take on board whilst we're trying to ride the bike at the same time. Road coming up towards a brow of a hill now. What's on the other side of this hill? These are all the things that I'm thinking about as we approach any kind of hazard. A primary route board coming up and a major junction to the left and to the right.